Hello everyone and welcome back to the English class. Today we are going to learn something which I am sure every one of you will enjoy. That is about telephonic conversation. As we all use phones almost every day, some people even have this profession of using it. The young children of today's generation are very fond of social networking sites like WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. In a nutshell, every one of us has a phone and everyone uses it with great excitement. So keeping this in mind, I have come up with variety of phrases which can be of great help. These phrases can be useful in not only in telephonic conversation but also in your face-to-face conversation. So let's go ahead. And the first case is about making a call to an office number. May I speak with Mr. Tom, please? I would like to speak to Mr. Tom. Can I speak to Mr. Tom? What if I'm calling someone directly?
Is that Miss Lucy? Am I speaking with Miss Lucy?
Now, when the conversation continues. Hello, this is Lucy from Mount Litra Z School. Is it a good time to speak? I was given your number by a brother. I just got a missed call from this number. When the person you have called is busy, then how will you reply?
Sure, I will call her back. Could you let me know what is the good time to call? Could I leave a message for her?
When you receive the call, you will reply like, May I know who is calling, please? To whom am I speaking? May I know where are you calling from? When someone is calling you, but you want to place his phone on hold.
Just a moment, please. Could you hold on? May I place your call on hold for a moment?
When someone is calling you, but at that time you are busy. Then, I'm sorry, I'm in the middle of something. Can I call you back? I'm going somewhere. Can I call you later? I'm occupied at the moment. If it's okay with you, can I contact you in an hour or two? When you have got a call and someone else has picked, but you are not available and you couldn't talk, and in this,
I am sorry, she is not available right now. I am sorry, you have dialed the wrong number.
when you want to attend a class and an important meeting, but you couldn't attend due to some reason, in that case, how will you reschedule or cancel that class? I'm sorry, I'm unable to attend the meeting or a school due to. I'm sorry, I have to call off the event. May I request for replacement class if possible? I'm sorry, I have to opt out of the event. When you're calling for some inquiry or for participating yourself.
I am calling to express my interest in participating in the annual program or the dance competition. I am calling with regards to the forthcoming event. I would like to volunteer for the same.
Sometimes we need to call a teacher to seek some information. In that case, the following phrases will be used. I'm calling to confirm about the submission date for the science project. Ma'am, I'm sorry, I was not able to attend school last week. May I come and meet you in the staff room in the lunch break for taking the notes? Ma'am, I'm calling with a request. I have not been able to understand the topic on Quit India movement. Could you please give me an extra class or else suggest me an alternate book? Sometimes when you're talking to someone very important and the network goes off and you can't hear them very well and even they can't hear you very well. In that
I am sorry, I can't hear you well. There is some network problem. Could you please repeat? I am sorry, but your voice seems to be breaking up.
And if there is bad network, you should check your network once. But am I audible to you? Can you hear me well? Now let's talk about low battery, which happens to us. You are in an important call and then you notice your phone battery which is 5% or 8%. Then in that case, what you'll do? You'll simply accept it.
The phone may cut off as my battery is about to die. I'm running on low battery. I will call you back once I charge my phone.
After a conversation with a person, it's a time to put up the phone. Now we don't simply say bye. We say, thank you so much for your time. It was nice talking to you. Thanks for calling. Have a nice day. Bye bye. It was good talking to you. So that was all about telephonic conversation. I hope you have liked it and understood it well. In the next video, I will be coming up with a new topic. Till the time, practice at home and take care.